back to my channel. It's your girl Glams, and I'm back with another tutorial for you guys. So today we'll be doing crochet butterfly locks. Yes, you heard me right. Crochet butterfly locks. It's going to save you time, it's going to save you energy, it's going to save you money, and it's still very elegant. It is still the same butterfly locks effect. Okay, like it is so cool. But before we go ahead, or before I go ahead to show you this tutorial, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It is totally free. Click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. Now let's go. Like I said, the tutorial we're doing today is going to be very fast. It's going to be very quick, and it's going to save you more money. Yeah, so this brand Niseyo sent me their crochet butterfly locks. We all know how it is to wrap butterfly locks. Like, it's going to take you 3 to 5 hours. It all depends on the length you're going for. So imagine you have it already made. It's just for you to install. So I got sent their 30, I think this is in color 30. Oh yeah, this is the color 30 and this is color 1B, and the box came with, I'm just gonna drop this one so we focus on this one. So this is the name of the brand, Niseyo. I'm gonna bring it closer so you guys can see the name here. I'm also going to leave it in the description box down below just in case you guys want to order. The link of the hair, everything is going to be down in the description box. So I'm going to show you guys what's in this pack so we see what we're working with. Now this is for a full head. If you order from this brand, this is for a full head, and you have a pack like this of 6. Yes, you have 6 of this, and in one of this pack you have 12 strands. So in all we have 72 strands of the butterfly locks, and that's a lot for a whole head, because I remember when I did my first butterfly locks, it wasn't even up to 60 and it was full. So you can imagine getting 72 strands of the butterfly locks. Like, it's a whole lot of hair you'd get. So I'm going to open one of this pack, and like I said, a pack comes in 12 strands of the butterfly locks. I'm going to open this one now and let's see what's inside. So this is the butterfly locks, and like I said, it's 12 strands in all, and I'm just going to count it so you guys can see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this is it, and you can see it has the butterfly effect from the beginning to the end of this crochet. So guys, this butterfly crochet, it's already pre-looped, which is very convenient. You can see the size of the loop. It's really big to go through your hair, which is so amazing. And the fact that the crochet also have the butterfly effect, guys, that's really amazing. So with the pre-loop, it's much easier for you to pass through, and I love the fact that you have enough space for your hair to go through. I mean, that's my finger in the loop, so it's very open, it's very easy, and yeah, very convenient to install. So guys, I'm just showing you guys what you get from the pack of the crochet. This is the 2 crochet needles that came with the pack, and this is the other color of the hair. I think this is color 30, and it's the same number of strands of hair. You get a pack of 6, and in one pack you get 12 strands, and in total you have 72 strands of the butterfly, and it's still the same effect you get with the black one, the same you get with the colored. And so this is how it's looking right now. The black, the color 1B, it's not black actually, it's color 1B and color 30, and that is it. So I just did the regular cornrows going all back because it's much easier and faster for me to work with. You can do the 1 strand, but I decided to do the cornrow. So now let's get into the tutorial. So installing this hair is very easy. It's already pre-looped, like I said, and if you know how to crochet with your crochet needle, this style is very easy. With the cornrows and the crocheting of the extension, it didn't take me up to an hour. That's how fast you can install this hair. So you open your crochet needle, pass the loop through, you close it, pass it through your hair. And I just want to also mention that if you're doing the cornrow method, please make sure your cornrow is not so tight, so that when you're passing the extension through your hair, it's not going to hurt you or cause too much tension to your hair. So make sure your cornrows is not so tight. And yeah, it's very simple. Pass the open your crochet needle, pass through the loop, close it, drag it through. You can either use the needle to pass it through, or you use your finger to, or your hand or your fingers to open up the loop and pass the hair. Like, I think I'm talking too much, but it's basically very easy to install your crochet.
Scars, bruises, and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't.
So I'm going to leave all the information of the hair in the description box down below, and if you click on the link, it's going to take you straight to the website for you to get yours as well. Remember, like I said, I got a pack of 6, and in one pack you have 12 strands of the hair, and in total I got 72 strands of the crochet. And just to let you guys know, I still have the hair installed and it's still very nice. It's reusable. You can take it out, wash it, trim out any extra hair or frizz from the hair, and you can also install. So depends on your maintenance level with the hair. It can take you as long as you'd want to have the hair.
A past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care, 'cause you took my scars, bruises, and broken heart, and numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. I used to be afraid until I met you. I was insecure, caught up in the pain, but you showed me how to heal. Took my scars, bruises, and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers.
I also want to quickly add that if you see the way I am installing the hair, I'm not putting the crochet close to my edges. I had to leave a little like a brush effect in front. That's because I don't want to install it on my edges, and that's something that I see a lot of people do, and when they take out their crochet they lose so much of their edges. You don't have to crochet the extension all the way to your edges. You can leave maybe like an inch or 2 inches away from your edges, and you can use gel or edge control to slick your hair so as to protect your edges. So that was intentional. Before you guys mention it to me that you didn't put it all the way to your edges, I just don't want to install the locks on my edges. guys, I am done with this tutorial, and this is what I have right now. Like I said, this hair is so easy to install. It is very fast, and then you still have to save some money. Like, you're literally getting everything in one package, and I didn't use everything, guys. Let me show you. I still have about I think I have about 14 strands left. So remember, this is a pack of one with 12 strands in it, and I have 2 extra, so I have 14 strands left. And I love this fact that with this alone, the volume is okay. I was even thinking if the volume is too much, I wanted to take out some, but yeah, I'm okay with this. If I choose to add this, it's going to be fuller. So for a whole head, you have 72 strands of your butterfly locks. That's going to make a full head. And if you don't like it this full, you can definitely reduce your cornrows and then you install your butterfly locks. Like, it is just amazing. So guys, I thought to show you guys different options when it comes to styling this butterfly crochet locks, to let you know that it is also versatile when it comes to styling. Even though I did the cornrow method with the crochet, you can have it all the way like a bun. You can have the 2-space bun. I actually did the 2-space bun. You get to see that as well. And you can have the center part, you can have the side part, you can have it all back. Like, you can do different or have different styling option, and it will still be very, very beautiful. So that is all for this video. I'm just showing you guys how to style the hair. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Click on notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. And don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section down below. And thank you guys to all my new subscribers. I can see that we are growing as a family. Thank you guys so much. You're welcome to the family. And until my next video, bye guys.
Numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Still got your smell.